Hi, I'm Wayne, I'm the Retail Operations Manager at Schuh.
And I'm Jules, I'm the Retail Coordinator at Schuh.
As a business, we've been working with SentiSum for a long time now, and more recently moved over into the retail space, which is where we work. The voice of the customer, really important to us to understand what that customer needs and the service we're providing them at store. For a while now, we've worked with mystery shopping and really to understand the service we provide in our stores. More recently moved over to our free-flowing customer feedback.
The biggest things is with the video mystery shop is it's a bit of a snapshot of service, whereas using SentiSum is much more live data, and actually our retail team can work better with that data than they can with the video mystery shop, which sometimes can become a little bit of a lag. So we're really excited about Q and seeing what that can bring for us in the future with SentiSum. I think that in terms of analysing the data and the digging summary will just be a game changer for us as a business, so super excited.